Hello, my name is Jonathan Dowdy. I am a Cloud Solutions Architect at Nimbo, and today I'm going to take you through a quick test drive of Amazon RDS for Microsoft SQL Server. Once you enter the main portal, you'll see, you click on the test drive icon, and you'll see all of the different test drives that we have created. You see BizTalk and SharePoint, and then at the bottom you should see Amazon RDS for Microsoft SQL Server. Just click on the Enter button, and it will bring up a screen that looks like this. Once you click Launch Test Drive, there's a box down here at the bottom right called the Environment box, and it basically just gives you a status of the test drive itself. So you'll see that the EC2 instance has been created, then the DB instance will be created, and once all of them have been created, you can scroll down here a little bit, say thank you, and it will give you some information on how to connect. Typically it takes about 10 to 15 minutes, sometimes a little bit longer. Just please be patient. Once the environment is up and running, you'll have your username and password down here and the IP address that you can use to connect. Once you have connected using RDP to the EC2 instance, you then will see a Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio on the desktop, which you can click on. And below it provides your username and password. Username is Nimbo and password is Nimbo 2014. And more importantly, the name that you will be connecting to, the string, which is in this case test drive DB, CEI, and then a bunch of letters, and the US East 1-RDS. So once everything's all created, log into the RDP, connect to the EC2 instance, launch Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio, and then copy the connection string into SQL Server Management Studio, like so. I've already copied it in here to the server name, put in my login, which is Nimbo, and my password, which is that. Connect, and I've connected to my database. So fairly straightforward. You are now on an EC2 instance. You're connected to Microsoft SQL Server on RDS, and you can, pretty much do whatever you like. This is built as a playground environment, so you can create databases, you can create queries, insert statements, update statements, select statements, do things a little bit more complex. Just to give you a quick overview, nothing too fancy. You can just drill down into Nimbo Test Drive, which is the main database that's pre-configured. Select any one of the tables. It's Microsoft SQL Server 2014, so you can just right-click and do select top 1,000 rows. It'll give you some data, and then from there you can play around and do whatever you like. You can do table joins, and like I said, updates, and inserts, and selects. And once you're done, just disconnect, and the environment will automatically delete itself. That's it. Taking the time for this test drive. Hope you enjoyed. And if you have any questions, please reach out to us.